completed my engineering in 2019. I have joined Jspiders in January 2022. Since it's been 3 months, I have joined Jspiders. I have got placed in some other company. So if you talk about faculties are very good. Actually, Uday sir, they taught me very Java in very good manner. Then Lavanya sir's aptitude helped me to clear the rounds. In Jspiders, if you talk about the Jspiders, it's the best platform to enter into the IT field, where we can learn from the scratch. Being a mechanical student, it was very easy under those faculties. Then HLs also very helpful about the interview schedules. Okay, thank you.